The easiest way to draw Tails. Make sure fans of Sonic see this. Step 1, let's draw a rounded square for the head. Then let's draw a bean shape for Tails' face. Next, we're going to draw Tails' eyes by simply drawing 2 ovals. Then we're going to draw 2 more ovals to finish his eyes, and 1 more for his nose. Now let's draw a letter P shape to create his mouth. For our next step, let's draw the fur on Tails' face by drawing a few triangles just like so. Now for our last step, let's draw a triangle for Tails' ear. Then boom, you're all done. Here's the easiest way to draw Knuckles. Step 1, draw a circle. Now let's draw another oval for the bottom of his face, and then 1 more oval for his nose. Now let's draw Knuckles' eyes by drawing 2 curved lines, and another curved line for his eyebrow. Now let's draw 2 ovals for Knuckles' eyes, and then 2 curved lines for his mouth. For our last step, let's draw Knuckles' hair by drawing 4 different pointy triangles just like so. And then boom, you're all done. Here's the easy way to draw Dr. Eggman. Make sure Sonic fans see this. Step 1, draw a circle. Next, let's draw a rounded triangle for the nose. Now let's draw Eggman's glasses by drawing 2 ovals. Next, let's draw a curved rectangle for his mustache. After that, we're going to start off at this point and then draw a half circle for his head. Then draw 2 U-shapes for his mouth. And then finish up with a straight line and a few more lines for the teeth. And then color it in, and then boom, you're all done. Here's the easy way to draw Sonic. Make sure Sonic fans see this. Step 1, draw a circle. Now let's draw a wave shape to create his face and an oval for his nose. For our next step, we're going to draw Sonic's eyes by drawing another wave shape just like so. Now let's draw 2 ovals for his eyes and a curved line for his mouth. Now for our last few steps, let's draw 3 triangles for Sonic's spikes. And then let's draw 2 triangles for his ears, color them in, and then boom, you're all done. Can I draw Gold Sonic in an NFT style? Well, there's only one way to find out. So I'm going to start out by drawing a really rough silhouette of Sonic. After that, I'm going to trace over my sketch, and I'm going to lay down all my line work. And now it's time to have Sonic go Super Saiyan. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down all the color for Sonic to go Super Sonic. And then boom, I'm all done. Here's the easiest way to draw Knuckles. Step 1, draw a circle. Now let's draw another oval for the bottom of his face. And then 1 more oval for his nose. Now let's draw Knuckles' eyes by drawing 2 curved lines. And another curved line for his eyebrow. Now let's draw 2 ovals for Knuckles' eyes, and then 2 curved lines for his mouth. For our last step, let's draw Knuckles' hair by drawing 4 different pointy triangles just like so. And then boom, you're all done. It's the easy way to draw Huggy Wuggy. For our first step, we're going to draw a D shape for his head. Now let's draw 2 ovals for his eyes. For our next step, we're going to draw his mouth by drawing a wave shape for the top, then draw a U shape for the bottom. Then wrap up by doing those same steps on the inside of the mouth. For our next step, we're going to draw the teeth by drawing triangles like so. Then go back to his head and draw little triangles for his fur. Then for our last step, we're going to draw a U shape for his body. Then boom, you're all done. Here's the easiest way to draw Pikachu. For our first step, let's draw a circle for his head and a U shape for Pikachu's body. Next, we're going to draw Pikachu's face by drawing 2 ovals for his eyes, then an oval for the nose, and then a W for his mouth. Next, we're going to draw Pikachu's ears by drawing 2 long triangles just like so. Now let's finish drawing Pikachu by drawing 2 curved lines in his face, and then 2 more ovals for his cheeks. Now let's draw 2 lines and triangles for his fingers. Now for our final step, let's draw a round triangle for the feet, and finally we'll draw a staircase for Pikachu's tail, and then boom, you're all done. It's the easiest way to draw water droplets. Step 1, let's draw a circle just like so. Next, we're going to take a charcoal pencil and draw 2 half moons on both sides. Now let's take a white color pencil and color in the middle. Now let's grab a Q-tip and shade on both sides just like so. Now let's take a white marker to create the water's reflection, and then boom, you're all done. It's the easiest way to draw a shadow. For our first step, draw this wide heart shape. Next, we draw a curved line that will look like a shape of a W, and then a line for his eye. Now we're going to draw Shadow's facial features by drawing a curved line for his mouth, an oval for his nose, and then 2 more for his eyes, and 1 more curved line for his eyebrow. Now let's finish drawing Shadow by drawing a curved triangle. Now to finish up, we're going to draw 2 jagged triangles, then finally let's draw 2 triangles for his ears, and then boom, you're all done. It's the easiest way to draw Moon Knight. For our first step, we're going to draw the letter M. Next, let's draw a curved line. From this point, we're going to draw Moon Knight's hood by drawing this line just like so. And make sure you do the same thing on the opposite side. Now we're going to draw his facial details by doing a half moon for his logo and a half circle for his eyes. Now let's finish up by drawing a wave shape, and then let's draw a few lines to finish up the mask. Now for our last step, let's draw a few more curved lines, and then boom, I'm all done. The easiest way to draw Buzz Lightyear. For our first step, you're going to draw 2 ovals just like so. Now from this point, you're going to connect both shapes to create his face. For our next step, you're going to draw Buzz Lightyear's eyes by drawing 2 ovals. Then let's draw a line for the eyelids. Then draw 2 more ovals to finish the eyes. For our next step, let's draw a triangle for his nose. Then we're going to draw his mouth by drawing a curved line, and then draw the letter U. Now let's finish up by drawing 3 more lines. For our last few steps, we're going to draw a wave line for Buzz's cap, and then boom, you're all done. It's the easiest way to draw a minion. For our first step, let's draw the shape of a letter N. Next, we're going to draw 2 ovals right in the middle, just like so. And then 1 more for his eye. Next, we're going to draw his goggles by drawing a rounded rectangle on each side. Now let's draw 2 curved lines for his smiley face. For our last few steps, let's draw this shape for his overalls. Then let's draw a line for his arm. Finish up with 2 lines for his overall strap. And then boom, you're all done.